Hello, I'm Martin Smith from Apex Envirocare. We're here today at Burswood Park looking at a very interesting product from Hydrological Solutions, their Aqua-Barrier, their water inflated cofferdam system.
An Aqua-Barrier is a temporary cofferdam that is inflated with water. It's made of flexible vinyl plastic. It is available in heights ranging from 1 meter to close to 3 meters high.
The Aqua-Barriers are basically cofferdams and the water filled. The best way to describe them is that they're a big balloon which are actually engineered, and they've got baffles inside them so they can't roll when they're filled with water. This allows you to use them in areas that are environmentally sensitive. It doesn't leave a footprint. They're easy to install, and once they've been installed and used and taken away, you can't tell that they've actually been there.
The Aqua-Barrier is characterized by being able to be installed and removed 3 to 5 times quicker than conventional methods such as earthen dams or sheet piling.
We work with a company called Hydrological Solutions, and they are a very professional company based in Houston.
Apex has been one of our largest worldwide distributors of our temporary dam system. We've had a relationship with Apex for 19 years at this point.
We lease this product around Australia, so it's good to be here in Perth to have a look at it in action at Burswood Park.
This project, there's a road going through for the new stadium, and the contractors are wanting to dewater an area which is fairly sensitive for the Swan River. So they want an environmental friendly way of dewatering the areas, and that's where we're involved.
Most projects we send out our supervisor to actually ensure the construction of the product is done correctly for everyone's benefit.
I'm there to advise, to make sure that the Aqua-Barriers are put in correctly. So they're fairly flexible from the really small contractor to the massive contractors.
They come in sections of 30, 20 and 10 meters typically, and they can be overlapped to make a longer length.
The Aqua-Barrier is also very compact in storage and shipping. It's commonly transported to the site using common carrier on a basic wooden pallet. Very flexible, very compact in storage.